Hey guys, this is Cool How To's, and today we're going to be finding the measures of center and variation using Google Sheets. So to start out, I've put my data in column A. You can use any column, but I'm using column A. Now let's get started. So I'm going to go to a separate column, and the first measure I'm going to find is mean, or average. So that's my label. I'm going to put the labels in column C, and I'm going to have the mean in column D. So the computer and Google Sheets is going to do all the calculations for us. We just need to tell it what we want it to do. So we need to enter a formula. But don't worry, it's not going to be some fancy, hard coding formula. The computer already has that. We just need to tell it what coding group of coding to do. So always start a formula with equal. It won't work without the equal sign at the beginning. So I'm going to put in the equal sign, and I'm going to try mean, but for some reason Google Sheets doesn't have mean in it. It has average, so which is the same thing. So type in average. Now it wants you to highlight the data. So drag down, and that's our data, A1 to 11. Now end with parentheses, hit the enter button. Okay, next we're going to find median. So same thing, equal sign, median this time. Highlight your data, and in parentheses, enter. Alright, let's find your mode. Equal sign, mode, highlight your data, finish off with parentheses, hit the enter button. Okay, now let's find the upper extreme, or it's also called the maximum, and the lower extreme, also called the minimum. So for this, from upper extreme, it's called max. Highlight the data, nothing different about that. Parentheses, enter. Lower extreme, it's called min. Okay, now that we found that, we can find the range. But for the range, the computer doesn't have a formula for that. So we're going to need to do it ourselves, but it's pretty easy. And we can use Google Sheets as a kind of calculator. So we're going to put upper extreme, 97. So, and we have to start with an equal sign at the beginning, not the end. So 97 minus 11 equals 86. So your range is 86. Okay, we got that done. Now let's find the quartile. So I'm going to label quartile 1 as Q1 and equal sign quartile. Now it tells you what it wants. So first it wants the data, then it wants comma the quartile number. So that means since I'm finding quartile 1, I'm going to put in 1 because I want quartile 1. So first I'm going to give it the data. Okay, now comma, quartile number, quartile 1. Finish off with parentheses. Hit the enter button. Okay, now let's find Q3. So same thing. Except instead of doing the quartile number as 1, we're going to do 3 because we're finding quartile 3. And in parentheses, enter. So, now that we have those, we can find the interquartile range. So again, same as normal range, we have to do it ourselves, but we have the numbers to find the difference. So equal sign 70, which is our quartile 3, minus 36.5, which is our quartile 1, equals 33.5, which is our last measure of variation. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. See you next time on Cool How To's.